Listen to this. Listen to this. You got friends over. It's day. It's day 106 of the national lockdown here in South Africa. Oddly enough, houses do not come with central heating here. So when it goes down to about 7 or 8, it's cold. I've gone everywhere for gas heaters because I'm not used to this. In Canada we got forced air heat and forced air conditioning. Pool's gonna overflow again. We already had to do a backwash today and bring it down about 6 inches. Anyway, it is Wyatt Nation in Africa. Can you see my breath? Anyway, the sunset just over here behind the mountains, and we're safe in the big fortress. 11,000-volt security fence. But sunny days are gone for a while. It's strange here because when the sun comes out during the day, it's nice. But it's their winter. It's like Southern California. Look at it. Anyway, White Nation over. Never.